Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we have a little surprise for you. Here we have OnePlus Nord. What happened is I really wanted to buy OnePlus 9 or the 9 Pro, and I was waiting for long. Some of you would be knowing I had OnePlus 6 earlier, and that device really lasted me for a real long time, and it was a really good device. But what happened recently is I dropped it, and God knows how many times I've already dropped that device, and its proximity sensor started started acting funny. So it would detect my call sometime and it'll go on blank even when I'm not on a call. So that was something really crazy that was happening. But today what happened was the device completely shut down. I did a quick restart. It started again, but I don't know what triggered it. So I really wanted to have a stable device because I don't want. I'm actually attending online classes right now, so I don't want any kind of hassle or any such issue. So I thought let's do one thing. Let's buy a cheaper device, which is the Nord. Let's go with it, and probably when in March when the 9 series come, then probably I can upgrade it. So today we have the OnePlus Nord, and I'll be doing a quick unboxing for you guys, and I hope you really like it. And see you there. So let's do this, guys. Here's the box. What I've done is I've already removed the outer cover. So let's start off directly by opening the box up. We have the phone itself here, this way not. And it's a really good thing that they are offering in display fingerprint sensor at such a low price point. So I bought this phone for 28,000, and on top of it my OnePlus 6 8 GB 128 GB version that got sold for around 12,000. So essentially I paid just 16,000 rupees for this. So that's a pretty good deal, and I think these are the cases cover and the manuals. We have our iconic red cable here, and the warp charger. Let me get it out. Okay, perfect. So these are the contents of the box itself. Pretty standard what we have over here. I remember the OnePlus 6 charger, it was around 25 watts and 20 watts actually, and this is a 25-watt charger, not the standard 30-watt charger, but the 25-watt charger. So let's keep all of these things aside, and let's see what we have in the pamphlets. There's a welcome letter. Kalpai, Pete Law with the team of Nord. Great. As I remember, as a student of marketing, the strategy for launching Nord on Instagram was a real great fun. And I had the honor of talking with Mr. Siddhant Narayan. He's the OnePlus marketing head for India. And we had a real long chat, and it was a great honor in interacting with him as well. So, a couple of pamphlets, the Red Cable Club. I don't know why they are wasting, you know, paper over here and providing this card when it's already inbuilt and it's baked into the settings, and you can just log in and start off with the Red Cable Plus directly. But let's see. I really don't like this textured back cover. I don't know why they included this. A clear cover would have been really I would have appreciated that. So let's keep all these things aside, and let's pull out our device, and I think it can just slip from here. Great. So I purchased the marble blue color. It's quite good, and I'm using a very low end camera phone because my OnePlus 6 has also gone, and this is just one of the phone that I found lying around in the house. So the color correction won't be as good here, but I must suggest that this is a really good colored phone, and if you are confused between black and blue color, I think you should go for this one, as black is pretty it's monotonous. So let's break the monotony. Let's not settle for black, and let's go ahead with this. So let me just set up this phone, and I'll get back to you. So here's the spec sheet for you guys. You can pause the video and just go through. Okay, guys, now we are done with the setup, and the phone is really fluid, really fast, and the 90 hertz refresh is very visible to the naked eye. It completely depends from person to person, but as someone who has been using a 60 hertz refresh rate phone for the last 2.5 years, as the change, it's instantaneous. You can just note it down. And as you would have seen, the phone is rocking a Snapdragon 765 processor, and it's got 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of your ROM. There's another variant offering 12 GB and 256 GB that's priced at 30,000 rupees. And the display is a 6.44-inch display, and it's very nice. It's actually a different aspect ratio 9 phone, so it's very slim, and you can actually use it with one hand. I think it fits pretty good as compared to the OnePlus 6. And you can see the Android version is right now it's at 10, but OnePlus has promised a Android 11 update, so that's out of the box there. And moving on, what else? So on the back you have the OnePlus branding over here, and the OnePlus. This is the new kind of branding that they're having. Is this is the new font for their company. We sport a 4 camera setup. That's a quad setup, and it's really capable shooter. I've taken some shots, but the very first impression is actually really good. But I would be needing more time to check this device, how it works, and how all its working is like. So I would be taking some time, and here I can show you the how fast the fingerprint sensor is. Not as fast as the physical sensor. There is a bit of lag, but I think that's doable given that it's inside the screen and not as a physical sensor. So that's there. And moving on, let's go to Netflix. And some of you have questions that if this device supports HDR. So I'll quickly go to the last series I was watching was Dracula, and I don't know if you can see it here, but it does support HDR. So this screen is HDR 10 plus 30. So that's all, guys. That's all for now. I'll be taking more of time. Maybe in a week I'll get back to you and bring my comparison as compared to OnePlus 6 or with Nord. The Snapdragon 845 was a very powerful chipset, and in terms of performance, the new 765G, it does outperform the 845, but in terms of the raw GPU performance, the 845 still wins. I think the 845 till date is 7% faster than the 765G. So that's a minor what do I say? That's a minor downgrade, if I will, but that's the only downgrade I could see to this phone. So the real life testing would tell more of it. And what I can tell you right now is I did put it up for charging, and the battery was at 38%, and within 31 minutes I was able to pull it up to 100%. So right now you can see it's at 98% now. I've been using it for more than I think 15 or 16 minutes, or that's so that's all from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Hope this video helps you out and in some way or the other. And if you have any doubts, please mention down in the comments. And if you did like this video, please try to subscribe to the channel. It's free of cost. I used to do it as a hobby, but now I would like to take it up as a full-time thing. I'm investing more in the process of video making, and investing more of money, more of my time, and more of my resources. So a sub would be really helpful. Thank you, guys.